In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get multiple OpenAI ChatGPT accounts. If you need separate ChatGPT accounts for different purposes, such as personal projects, work, testing, or managing different workflows, you can create more than one account as long as you follow OpenAI's account requirements. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basic process and explain what you need to know before getting started. Begin by opening the ChatGPT website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button and click on it to begin creating a new account. The Sign Up page provides several ways to create an account, allowing you to choose the option that works best for you. One of the simplest methods is to select Continue with Google if you have a Google account that you want to use. If you already have multiple Google accounts, you can choose a different one during the sign-up process. Each eligible Google account can be used to create its own ChatGPT account, making it easy to keep different accounts separate for different purposes. As you continue through the registration process, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. Make sure the information you provide is accurate, since it may be used to verify your account or help you recover access in the future if needed. It's important to understand that each ChatGPT account is created individually. You cannot create several accounts simultaneously using the same sign-up session. Instead, you'll need to complete the registration for one account before starting the process again with another eligible account. If you have multiple Google accounts, you can repeat the same steps for each one. For example, if you have 4 different Google accounts, you can create a separate ChatGPT account for each of those accounts, provided each one meets OpenAI's account requirements. Keeping separate accounts can help you organize conversations, manage different types of projects, or maintain distinct workspaces without mixing your chat history. As you create additional accounts, consider using clear labels or browser profiles to make it easier to remember which account you're currently using. This can save time and help prevent confusion when switching between different projects or conversations. Once each account has been successfully created, you can sign in to the one you need whenever you want to access its conversations and settings. Simply repeat the same registration process for each additional eligible account until you've created all the accounts you require. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,